Over the long haul, crop production depends on soil management. Proper care of the seedbed and attention to residue levels will benefit your crop yields. Flexi Coil is proud to offer the tools to meet your field management needs. When it comes to field work, Flexi Coil's proven line of tillage keeps going season after season. The Flexi Coil 340 tillage is a workhorse. With a rigid frame and solid hitch, it's one tough tillage unit. The all-welded structural tube steel frame is the toughest in the industry. This strength works for you in a design that lets residue flow through easily. Even at the wheels, heavy-duty dual-walk beams provide stability without restricting residue flow. The 340 has 30 inches of frame-to-ground clearance. For precise depth, the 340 features single-cylinder depth control. One main hydraulic cylinder activates the mechanical lift for the entire machine. This eliminates phasing and leaking problems associated with multiple cylinder designs. Maintaining the same depth is easy with single-point depth stop adjustment. Optional gauge wheels provide front wing support for more depth control. Mounted harrows can be added to improve field finish. You can even fit the 340 with an air delivery system to seed and fertilize. The 340 features a simple, low-maintenance design for years of tough, dependable service. Yet it is versatile enough to meet your changing needs. Whatever the application, transport is a simple wing-up from the tractor cab. The wings fold to an over-center position and automatically lock up the depth control system for safety. Overall, the 340 is dependable, tough tillage. When you have to tackle difficult terrain, only precision equipment will maximize your productivity. The 820 Precision Tillage offers accuracy and durability for even the toughest land conditions. The 820 has high-strength tube steel construction to take the tough going. Front caster wheels and rear walking beams are carefully positioned to provide consistent front-to-back land following in rolling conditions. This allows the 820 to maintain precise tillage depth. With 32-inch clearance under the frame and walking beams placed well to the rear of the unit, the 820 offers excellent residue flow. A single hydraulic cylinder provides depth control across the entire machine. There is no need to cycle or rephase the cylinders, and the depth remains consistent from one side of the 820 to the other. The convenient single-point depth setting lets you return to the same preset depth over and over. The real advantage of the 820 Precision Tillage is the flexible frame design. The frame is built to flex along traditional hinge lines as well as along diagonal hinge lines within the wings and inside the center section. The hitch also flexes at the frame. The first advantage of the flexible frame is precision. The 820 follows the land like no other machine, maintaining the proper depth in uneven terrain. The second advantage of the flexible frame is durability. Changes in the contours of the land put tremendous stress on welds and frame members of slab frame machines. Since the 820 can move with the contours, the welds and solid frame members face less stress, and the machine lasts longer. The precision and durability of the 820 also make it an excellent choice for seeding and fertilizing. Just add an air cart and distribution package. Mounted harrows are available to improve field finish in a single pass. No matter what the application, you can move your 820 into transport position without leaving the cab. Just engage the hydraulics to fold the tillage up into a safe, over-center position. The manual transport lift locks engage for added safety, and you can drive away. The 820 Precision Tillage for tough land following precision. What you do on the soil surface can have as much impact to your production as what you do underneath it. Flexi Coil's field management product line improves the seed bed. The extra residue resulting from conservation farming practices can be a friend or a foe, depending on how you choose to manage it. The 85 Heavy Harrow Bar lets you control your residue situation. The 85 Heavy Harrow features a choice of tines: 1/2 inch by 22 inch tines, or 9/16 by 26 inch tines. The tine angle can be adjusted easily with a quick adjust handle on the harrow section. Each 10-foot harrow section is connected to the boom by 2 sets of parallel mount arms to keep the harrows working evenly from front to back and side to side. A quick adjust handle lets you set the down pressure springs for the right field finish in varied conditions. The main booms are made of 8 by 8 inch tube steel connected by reinforced knuckle joints. The tough construction lets you use the 85 heavy harrow to break down heavy residues. The result is an even spread of surface residue across the field. Transporting the 85 is easy and safe. Activate the transport hydraulics to raise the Harrow Bar into transport and just drive away. You never leave the cab. The 85 Heavy Harrow offers strength and versatility in residue management. When you need versatility and convenience for basic harrowing operations, look to our 82 Harrow Bar. The 82 Harrow Bar can be fitted with a choice of 4-bar or 5-bar harrows, or spike-tooth parallel bar harrows to match your leveling and residue management needs. Harrow pitch is easy to set with a single lever per section. You can set the front tine angle differently from rear tines depending on your residue flow. Spring pressure kits can be added to keep the harrows from bouncing and to add pressure control. The adjustments allow you to use the 82 to manage straw and smooth fields. This unit features Flexi Coil's easy transport design. To transport the 82, just raise the harrows and drive ahead. The 82 Harrow Bar provides reliable multi-use field finishing. Another important tool for seedbed management is the coil packer. Coil packers can be used before and after the seeding operation. A pre-seeding pass helps level the field, seals in moisture, and provides more uniform soil consistency for the seeding operation. Post-seeding packing compresses the soil around the seed and forces air pockets out to allow moisture to move more easily up to the seed level. This dramatically improves germination. On the top layer, unbroken clods remain between the coils to provide erosion control. The herringbone packing design protects the seedbed from wind and water erosion. The 75 Packer Bar offers coil packing with the convenience of a wing-up design. You can equip the 75 with packers that weigh 100 pounds per foot, or packers that weigh 130 pounds per foot, depending on your needs. Spring pressure and track eradicator options provide the fine-tuning of your packing and field finish. The 75 Packer Bar can be pulled directly behind the tractor for seedbed preparation or post-seeding packing. Or it can be towed behind a seeding tool for one-pass management and timely seed-to-soil contact. The compact 75 Packer Bar is highly maneuverable and follows the seeding unit precisely. The 75 Packer Bar features wing-up convenience. When the transport hydraulics are activated, the packers raise off the ground and the wings fold to a safe over-center position. The 75 Packer Bar is the ideal seedbed preparation and finishing tool. If additional leveling is required before packing, the 95 Harrow Packer is the answer. The 95 incorporates harrows and packers in one unit. You can choose spike-tooth parallel bar harrows, or you can select 4 or 5 bar tine harrows. With tine harrows, the pitch can be adjusted for a more or less aggressive angle. The packers attach to the unit with 2 removable pins. You can detach the packers quickly and easily to use the 95 as a Harrow Bar. The 95 can also be used as a light chemical incorporation tool. In fact, you can order the single axle or walking beam configuration for added flotation. Folding into transport is conveniently controlled from the cab. With a complete line of tough tillage, residue control, and seedbed preparation tools, Flexi Coil will meet your field management requirements. We can help to find the solution that fits your farm. Visit your Flexi Coil dealer for a closer look.